All right, gang. So I got a couple requests to go through step by step how I could develop a program similar to what we've been working on the last few weeks. So I was thinking back to Mikey R's football game he promoted when he was designing his own game and thought that'd be a cool thing. So I'm going to have to break this video up into parts because of our screencast file limits. But here I want to show how I would create two layers of choices. I know my diner one uses a bunch of methods, and that was confusing for some. So I want to show you can do it without it. So think of this football game. I'm going to create two layers of choices. I'm going to ask if it's a run or a pass. That's one layer. Okay, and I'm commenting these. That's why there's all of the pound signs. If it's a run, ask if it's inside or outside. Both of those, or it'll bother me. And if it's a pass, ask if it's short or long. Right? So that is going to be my first part. Create two layers of choices. Let me make room for that. So ask if it's a run or a pass. So let me print a message. Print, hi, coach. Now I'm going to say, call this variable run pass. It says, is input of what will it be? Run or pass. And then I'll have if run, or wait, no, I have to do the variable. If run pass equals run, I'll have it do something. Okay. Else, for elif, else if that same variable run pass is pass, do something. And then I'll put in else, say, print, I don't know what that means. And that's just way, if they don't say run or pass, I will just say, I don't know. All right, so if it's say run, what did I want to do? If it's a run, ask if it's inside or outside. So if it's a run, I'll call this in out equals input. Should we run inside or outside? And if it's a pass, I want to ask if it's short or long. So we'll go short, long equals input, throw it short or long, question mark. And throw it short or long. All right, let's make sure that works so far. Prints hi coach, what will it be, run or pass? Run. Should we run inside or outside? Inside. All right, it did everything we wanted. A couple of things that always bother me. I hate that there's no space here. So I always go and add a couple spaces after my questions. And then I think the problem is right now it doesn't do anything. So we go if in out equals inside. Let's say print short gain. If in out equals side. But they said inside, we'll say short gain. Say outside, we'll print long gain. And what if they don't? Oh, wait, there should be an elif, right? Because it's an else if. And else, say, print fumble. So that's all I have time for in this video. I'm going to do something similar for passing with it being short or long, and I'll pick it back up there. All right, so as I said, I added the same kind of thing for pass. We said throw it short or long before, and now if they said short, I'm going to say short gain. Else if, elif, they said long, I'm going to say incomplete. And if they say anything else, I'm going to print interception. Learn to follow directions. Let's make sure this runs. What will it be, run or pass? I'm going to call a pass. Throw it short or long. Let's go long. Incomplete. Well, oh no. Try again. Let's do a run. Throw it inside or outside. Outside. Long gain. Nice. Try one more. What will it be, a run? Inside or outside? What if we said middle? Fumble because we didn't follow directions. All right, so that all works. And what I'm finding a lot of people have struggled with here is the indentation. So look, we ask, what will it be, run or pass? That's called the run pass input variable right here. If they say run, everything I want to take place, if they say run, has to be inside of that if statement. Look at how all these other things line up there. And it doesn't come back out to this line until we get to else if, elif, they say pass. So there's all of my run stuff. And REPL even knows this cool thing where if I close this, all the run stuff goes away. There's all the pass stuff, and there's everything else. So I can actually cut this down into just those cases and look at them one at a time. So if I say run, there's all the run things. Should it be inside or outside? If it's inside, short gain. If it's outside, long gain. Otherwise, say fumble. Let me hide that. What if it's a pass? Short long is ask if it's short or long. If it's short, say short gain. If it's long, say incomplete. Otherwise, say interception. And I'm going to add to that in a little bit. That's going to be my randomness thing there. And then else print. I don't know what that means. Great. So that is how I would set up my layers of choices, which now need some random inputs. And I'll get to that in my next